My dear TFRCC family, if this journey feels long, don't be discouraged. God has not brought you this far to leave you here. Every prayer you have whispered, every sacrifice you have offered, every step taken in faith is seen by God. You may feel tired, but God is renewing your strength. You may feel stretched, but He is preparing you for more. This Lent, don't give up now. Keep trusting, keep walking, keep believing. What God has promised, He will surely complete. Stay faithful. Your perseverance is opening doors you cannot yet see. God bless you.